Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. And last class we discussed about motivation and supervisions and importance of supervision. And we last class we discussed motivation also, right? Yes, we discussed. What do you mean motivation here? Motivation means it is stimulating the peoples. Stimulating the peoples are encouraging the peoples to action. Encouraging the peoples to action to achieve the deserved goals is called as a motivation. Motivation means it is stimulating the peoples to action to achieve the deserved goals is called as a motivation. Motivation is what it is? It is a stimulating the people to action to achieve deserved goals or organizational goals. Both are same. Or organizational goals. So who will stimulate here? The manager will stimulate here. The manager will encourage the employees in the organization to do the work effectively. Okay? And we will see one more thing here. Means it is motivation. Motivation means it is a process of converting the employee ability to work into the willingness work. Willingness work, offering them to the incentives and inspiring them to the work hard is called as a motivation. Another meaning are it is a process of convert into employees ability to work into willingness work by offering incentives and inspiring them to work hard. Work hard is called as motivation. Last class I explained, right? Yes. See, it is converting the employee ability. Who will convert you? The manager will convert the employee ability. They have skills, they have knowledge, but here they will not use. Why means? Why have to do? If we will do means, what we will get? Like that they will think. Who will think? The employees will think. That is the main reason the manager will use the techniques. What techniques they will use? Means giving the promotions and incentives. If you will complete this work means we will give the incentives, we will give the promotions and we will give the foreign trip and we will give like that they will offer. Means that time the employees will encourage, employees they will motivate, they will work hard. When they will work hard means that time we will get more profit in the organization. That is the main reason motivation is most important. Already I told. Means getting the best work and maintaining the organization, it is not enough. Motivation also one part of the organization. Okay, it is a one part of. Means without motivation they will not work effectively. What are the motivation techniques here? Promotion, transfer and giving the rewards and increasing the bonus, increments. These are all motivational techniques we motivating the employees to work hard here. Okay, and even I explained last class motivate. Yes, motivate means inner side energy. Okay, inner side energy that moves, activate. Who will activate here? The manager will activate here. The manager will activate and move to direct behavior to the goals. Means direct behavior to the goals. Means if the employee interested to do the work in the organization, that time they will do. When they will get interest, if we will give the promotion or incentives. So they will give the promotions and incentives. They will offer and they will get the hard work from the employees. Like that, in every organization will happen. So here, please understand this one. It is the employability work converting to the willingness work. Means already have their skills, but they will work. Means here encouraging. They will encourage to people. How they will encourage means offering them. How they will encourage means offering them, inspiring them. Inspiring means they will provide the promotions like that. Okay, and to work hard, inspiring them to the work hard is called as a motivation. And motivator means what it is? Motivator means the manager is the motivator in the organization. Okay, and in educational institution, who is the motivator here? I think principal sir, it is, I think principal sir is a motivator and HOD sir it is motivator. They are motivated lecturers as well as students. If you do work effectively, you will get more salary. And if you hard work means if you do work effectively, if you study effectively, that time you will get more marks. Like that, they will motivate in the educational institutions also. And organization who will motivate? The manager will motivate. How they will motivate? Already told, the motivator it is the manager. Techniques used to the peoples to achieve the organizational objectives. What are the techniques? Promotion, bonus, incentives. Promotion, bonus, incentives. Okay? And we will see what are the futures of the motivation. Futures of motivation. Motivation is internal feeling. Means it is motivation means what it is? Internal feeling, inside feeling. Okay? Motivation is produces the directed behavior, goal directed behavior, and motivation is like positive or negative, and motivation is complex process. Motivation is multiplex process, complex process. Okay, and Okay, deserve, argue, drives, deserve, aspiration, striving. These are all the behavior of the human being. Okay, what are the internal feelings means? Argue, drives, argue, drives, deserve, aspiration, striving, argue means we are talking against or from others. Yes, argue means already know about this. Argue people with others means against it we are talking with the others. Argue. Drives means what it is? Management. Means it is managing. Means it is managing. Means we can manage. Like that we speak now. Like that manage. Drive. Deserve means it is something feeling to get. Means I want that. Like that feeling. Means deserve means already they fix it in the mind. Means I want to become a doctor. They will fix it in mind. They have strength to study that doctor course. Like that. Okay. Deserve means it is I want that. They will fix like that. Means I want to become a doctor. I want to become a lawyer. Like that you will speak now. So if they will fix the goal means they will trust their goal. Means they will trust. That is this deserve. Okay, strong feeling. Deserve means it is strong feeling. Aspiration is a hope. Already know about this. Aspiration is I have hope. I will do. I can do. I can do. Aspirations means they have hope. Example, I want to become a doctor. Means they will tell I can do that course. Means that is a hope. Even I will get 100 out of 100 marks. Like that students will speak. So that is hope. Means internal feeling that is I will do that work. That is internal feelings here. Means here striving means struggle to achieve the goals. Means if you want to become a doctor means they have to spend 5 years for studying. So that is struggling. Even they have to take training. Even they have to spend more money. Means struggle to achieve the goals. Here more struggles is there. But it is not a point there. Why means they have already fixed the goal. What is the goal? Means I want to become a doctor. I will do whatever they want. They will do for doctor course. Means they will bear that struggles here. Okay, if they will interested to do the work means they will bear the struggles. Otherwise, they will not bear the struggles here. So that is the main reason. That is the main thing I am telling. Struggle means struggle to reach the goal here. And possessiveness means it is selfish attitudes. Means I want that's it. Selfish attitudes. I want to become like that. I don't want anyone. Selfish attitudes. That is possessiveness. Okay, possessive means selfish. These are all the internal feelings. These are all the internal feelings. Every human being have these are all the selfish attitudes. And here internal feeling how means example we will take any organization one employee will take. The employee want to purchase the one bike. Okay, you want to purchase the bike means you want more salary. Already the organization will pay 30,000, but it is not enough for that employee. So, but we want to purchase the bike. So the employee what will do means here means I want money, so I will do extra. I will do work extra here. If I will do work extra means I will get promotion. If I will get promotion means even they will pay salary more than 30,000. Example 50,000 they will pay. If they will pay 50,000 means I can buy easily buy. So they will calculate like this. If they will calculate like this means even the company also offer. If you do work effectively means we will give the promotion. We will give the incentives. We will give the bonus. Like they announce, and the announcement and the need it should be equal and it should be matching means that time the motivation it is effective, otherwise it is not effective. So here if they will pay 50,000 means the employee gets satisfied. If they want to pay 50,000 means the employee have to work hard. When the employee will work hard means if they will give promotion, if they will motivate, if they will give incentives. So that time only they will motivate and they will do work here. Like that it is inner feeling. If inner feeling and company offer if it is equal means that should be matching. If it is matching means that the organization goal we can easily achieve. Otherwise we can't here. Okay. And see here, next one it is motivation. It is to produce the goals related behavior. Yes, already I told goals related behavior. Already I told this one means any employee if they have goal. Example already I told, if employee interested to purchase the bike, we will take on another example. Employee interested to purchase one house. Okay, one house here you have to purchase one house. Means if employee want to purchase house means he want more money. Yes, if he want more money means he have to work hard in the organization. If he work hard means they will give the incentives, they will give the bonus and they will give the promotion. Otherwise they will not give. That information knows employee. Okay, the employee know what is the fact in the organization. So even manager also in everyone they laugh. Means if you work effectively, efficiently, we will give the promotions and incentives. Okay, and they will offer the offering and the offer and the employee goal. The offer and employee goal if it is matched. Already I told, if it is match means that time the motivation should be effective. Otherwise it is not effective. Means the employee want to purchase the house means they want more money, and the manager should reach the goals means they have to work hard. If work hard work and salary if it is match means that time the goal automatically we will reach here based on the goal directed behavior. Yes, if they have goal means purchasing the house, that is the goal. Directed means they have to purchase means they want money. That's why they will work hard here. Understood? If they want to purchase house means that is goal. The employee goal is house. If they want to purchase house means they have to work effectively. If they will not work effectively means they will not get. That is the main reason they will work effectively in the organization. Always the goal directed behavior. They will behave like to work hard. What's the behavior means? Working effectively. The behavior will change. Before that they will work not effectively. Why means they don't need house, they don't need bike. That's why they will work normally. If they want house, they want to purchase house means they want money. That's why the behavior will change. The behavior will change means normal work converted to the hard work. Okay, normal work converted to the hard work. Like this, the goal directed behavior. Based on the goal, direction will be changed the employees as well as management. Okay, and next it is see here, positive is like motivation is like positive or negative. If the manager incentives, more salary they will get, incentives they will get, bonus they will get, increments they will get, and recognition they will get, good name they will get. If the negative motivation from managers means the for the employees what they will get, punishment they will get, okay, and reduce the salary, and good name will it will convert into the bad name. Like this will happen. What is the positive? If it is positive motivation from manager means they will get promotion, they will get promotion, salary, more salary they will get, incentives, bonus, and good reputation from organization they will get. If negative, if the manager will negatively motivate means that time they will get punishment main. Punishment they will get, and salary will reduce salary here, and even they will not get bonus, and even they will not work here also. So it is punishment and reduce the salary, and they will not even get bad reputation. They will get here bad reputations from organization, okay, from organization. So it is always depends upon motivation. It is always depends upon the manager only. If the manager will motivate positively means the employees will get salary, promotion, incentives, bonus, okay. If manager will negatively motivate means they will get punishment, they will reduce the salary, and bad reputations, bad name they will get. That time it will they will not work there, okay. So always the manager will choose in the organization positive motivation only. When it is positive motivation, if it is there means the employees will get benefits as well as organization also will get benefits. What are the benefits will get for organization means they will get profit. Yes, they will get profit, and they will get the good name in the society and good reputations, and even shareholders also they will invest their money. Otherwise they will not invest the money. That is the main reason always the manager should be motivate the people in positive way only. And next it is motivation. It is a complex process. Yes, it is complex process only. And in organization everyone have different expectations, different perceptions, different reactions. Yes, it is there. Everyone have different characteristics. Example we will see in classes only. Yes, everyone have different character, own nature. Yes, someone it is very hard, and some student it is very soft. Someone it is selfish, someone it is possessiveness. Like that, students also is there. It is same like that only in organization also. Same reactions here. Means someone it is expectation, it is more expectations, reactions, and perceptions. Everyone have own goal and own goal directed behavior. Means everyone have different behavior, different characteristics. Means complex is multiplex. Okay, complex means it is multiplex. Means different characteristics. Means complex process means different characteristics different expectations and reactions. We will see in the organization. And the motivation in any motivation here, any motivation in the organization and may not be uniform effect of the all the members. Okay, may not be uniform effect of the all the members. Why means already I told they have different characteristics and different reactions, different expectations. Only one motivation cannot change anyone. Already we know. Means so somebody will tell, oh no, I can't do this work. Why means already I have more work. Like that people will speak. Someone it is I don't want to change this technology. I don't want to do the work extra. I want this much only. I want this much salary. Somebody will speak. Someone may watch what we will say speak. Means I want more money. That's why we will give more. We will give more work. If you will give more work means we will get the more money. Like that also people say. Means here all characteristics is there in the organizations. Means the one motivation cannot be effect in the all the members. Cannot be effect means cannot be uniform effect of the all the members. Means they have to give different motivations to the manager. That's why the manager will observe in every employee in the organization. They have to observe. Why they are observing means if they don't know how to do the work means that time we will teach means they will interested to do the work. So that's why they have to observe every employee in the organization. If they will observe means they know what's the characteristics is there. What are the characters of the in our organization? What are what they will expect? What the employees will expect in our organization? What's the reaction? Everything they will know. If they will know everything, what are the expectations? What are the reactions? That time they will give effective motivations to the employee. If we will know what happening in that organization, we will give solution, right? Same thing only. If they know what are the characteristics what are the characteristics there in our organization, if they will understand means they will give motivation effectively. Okay? And next we will see what are the importance of motivation. Next we will see motivation process and motivation importance. Motivation process based on the human needs. Motivation process is based on the human needs. Motivation process. Okay, we will see motivation process here. Next it is motivation process. Motivation process already I told. Motivation process based on the human needs. Based on the human needs. The motivation process based on the human needs. Based on the human goals, we are going to motivate here. Already I told if the employee have goals, okay, the employee will have goals, the organization also will have goals. Means if it is matching same, the goals will be matched means that time the motivation it is easy. Means the employee want to purchase the bike, they don't have money, so if they will work hard means they will get more salary in the organization. So the will work hard here. So if they will work hard here means they will get more profit. If employee work hard means they will get pie here. So like that only, if it is match means the motivation it is successful. So based on the human needs, the organization have some obligations and employees have some goals. Means it should be match. When it is match means that time the organization will go effectively and efficiently. We see how it is motivation process based on the human needs. Example, we will see the Ramu. Example, we will take the Ramu is very angry. Okay, is very angry. He didn't get food still 1 p.m. Still 1 p.m. he didn't get food. Okay, still 1 p.m. he didn't get food. So he is searching food. He is searching and food in hotels he didn't get anywhere. And he is walking in the roads and he walked. Means walking up to 2 kilometers he will walk. Means after he walking 2 kilometers and after finally he could find the one hotel. In that hotel he will get roti and dal available. Okay, he will get roti and dal, and for that cost is 10 rupees. Okay, for that the cost is 10 rupees. But Ramu have 15 rupees. Okay, the Ramu have 15 rupees and he paid 10 rupees for the food and 5 rupees it kept in packet. Means he paid 10 rupees for the food and he had food and he satisfied that food, and even he will get regain the energy, and he is satisfied that food. So like that only motivation process always based on the human needs. The Ramu need what it is? Food. Means he is hungry. He is angry about food. So he want food means he is searching. First he will search and after that he will take that food. And after had food means he will satisfied. He is satisfied. So like that only in organization also. And Ramu first it is angry means it is fear. Angry means it is unsatisfied. Unsatisfaction, need. Yes, angry means it is unsatisfaction. Ramu angry is unsatisfaction, need. Unsatisfaction need creates the tension. What is tension? Oh, today I didn't get it or not. My stomach is very hungry. So what we will do? Already 1 p.m. means afternoon already. Means we will get or not. Like that tension will happen to Ramu. The tension which is stimulating to the drives. Drives means it is managing ability, capacity to search the food. Means capacity and handle the situation. And handle the situation. What the situation here? The angry situation. They have to search. They have to walk. They have to search the food. So he walked. Means he is after that he is walking 2 kilometers. That is patience. Okay. Means it is searching behavior. Means after he is walking means walking it is searching behavior. Yes. Means he is what searching is hotels for food. Searching behavior. The searching behavior. The searching behavior generating to the satisfy the needs. Okay. Means search after the searching behavior and he will get he had. Okay, Ramu had food, right? After searching the hotel, he get roti and dal. He paid for that 10 rupees. Means satisfy the need. Satisfaction of needs. The satisfaction need reduces the tension. Okay. Abba, we will get. Finally, we will get food. I had. Even I get more energy. Now I can do work in home. Like that, they will feel. That is reduce the tension. Reduce the tension. Reduce the tension. See here, unsatisfaction needs creates the tension. The tension which is generating the drives means handling the situations, handling the capacity. What is handling capacity means walking. Ramu is walking, right? Up to 2 kilometers he walked, right? That is capacity. I can walk. Main thing, I want food. Means what is the goal here? The food is goal. Motivation where it will get means hungry, it is motivation. It is stimulating, encouraging. Means I want food, I will do whatever I want, I will do for the food. Okay? And drives which is stimulating the searching food. The searching food it is searching food to satisfy the need. The satisfy the need to reduce the tension. Like that only the motivations will happen. Okay. So satisfy need, tension, drives, searching behavior, satisfaction of needs and reduce the tension. These are all motivational process. Means it is same like this the in organization also. But organization want more money. Yes, organization want money. Yes, organization want money and profit. Profit. Organization want profit and effective work. Effective work from employees. Employees want money and reputation. Employees want reputation. Means this is organization want means the chairperson. Means this is also human being and this is also human being, right? This is also human beings. Means the human beings is stimulating, encouraging the people to work hard. Otherwise, they will not work effectively. So, like this will happen in the organization. Means the employees want money and the organization want effective work. Means if they want money means they will do effective work. The organization want effective work means they will give salary, they will give the promotion. Means based on the human needs, the motivation will happen. Okay, and this is the process of the motivational process. Okay, and next class we will see what are the